minus 5 minutes. 3, 2, 1, mark.
And PLT, I copy L minus 5. Check step 163 complete. And launch team LC on countdown 1. At this time, I'd like to poll for final launch readiness. SE?
SE go.
SE is go. OD?
OD is go.
OD is go. PEG?
PEG is go.
PEG is go. Orbital?
Orbital is go.
Orbital is go. NLM?
NLM is go.
NLM is go. LDA?
This is LDA, clear to launch.
LDA, clear to launch. Launch team is go to proceed with final checklist at L minus 4. Check 164.
LC, PLT, L minus 4 on my mark. Start 3, 2, 1, mark.
Once Pegasus launches, it will be headed on a launch azimuth of 198.6 degrees.
And PLT, I did copy L minus 4. ROC, report range status.
Rock, range green.
Rock, range is green, check 166. And I can verify launch window is go. And I can verify launch window is go, check 167. LC, report readiness for transient power.
LC PEG, go for transient power.
Copy, check 168.
LC, PLT. 3, 2, 1, mark.
PLT, I copy L minus 3. And PLT, be advised, delay your L minus 2 call by 1 minute.
PLT, copy.
LPO-LC, step 169, apply transient bus power.
Transient power on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark.
LC PEG, transient power on and nominal, vehicle is safe.
Copy, check 170, and PEG, confirm ready to configure SIGI for flight.
LC PEG, ready to configure SIGI for flight.
Copy, check 171.
That's configuring
LC,
the
step
guidance system
172,
on
proceed to
Pegasus.
configure SIGI for flight.
LC, LPO, in work. Configure SIGI for flight. 3, 2, 1, mark.
Copy, LPO, check 172.
Launch in minus 2 minutes.
LC PEG, SIGI configured for flight.
Copy that, PEG, check 173.
LC, PLT, L minus 2, 3, 2, 1, mark.
Copy, L minus 2, PLT, check 175, and you go to acquire launch heading at 183.7 mag.
LC, PLT, stand work.
Copy and work, check 176.
minus 1, 3, 2, 1, mark.
And I copy L minus 1, check step 177. LPO, you go to activate fin battery at L minus 45 seconds.
2, 1, mark. Good. Starboard now. Port now. Rudder now. Then sweep now. Then sweep now. Then sweep now. F12. Then sweep now. Then sweep now.
LC, Peg is go for launch.
LC is go for launch. PLT confirm.
Confirm.
Stand by for deployment.
PLT, drop on my mark. 3, 2, 1, drop.
Pegasus away on the
Pegasus
Iris.
is away.
Pegasus away.
Vehicle is fully armed.
And ignition of the Pegasus rocket.
Attitude remains nominal. Power buses remain strong with good voltage on all buses.
This Pegasus is underway.
The actuator system is operating properly. Fins are following commands and controlling the flight of the vehicle. Attitude remains nominal. 35 seconds into the Iris mission, we're past max Q. Vehicle power buses remain nominal. Vehicle is flying along the nominal predicted track, indicating good performance. Attitude remains nominal over 50 seconds into the flight. We're now over 100,000 feet in altitude, traveling over 4,000 miles an hour. Power buses remain strong. Approximately 10 seconds to stage 1 burnout. Stage 1 is burned out. Approximately 15 seconds to stage 1 separation and stage 2 ignition. Attitude remains nominal. Power bus is nominal. Stage 1 SEP, interstage separation. Stage 2 ignition is confirmed. Power buses remain strong, good voltage on all buses. Attitude remains nominal. Vehicle continues to fly along the nominal predicted track.
And at this point, we lose our tracking of the chase plane with the chase plane of the Pegasus. We'll be looking for it with ground cameras if available.
Stage 2 TVC is operating nominally. The nozzle is following commands and controlling the flight of the vehicle. Fairing separation confirmed. Right and left half is separated. Attitude remains nominal after the deployment of the fairing. Approaching 150 seconds into the Iris mission, all systems are performing nominally. Vehicle velocity is now 11,000 miles an hour, approaching 100 miles in altitude. Attitude remains nominal. Stage 2 is burned out. Vehicle is now in a prolonged coast phase as we coast up to the insertion altitude. All systems are operating nominally. Now 180 seconds or 3 minutes into the Iris flight. Telemetry is being broadcast from the Stage 3 antennas, and we have solid lock on telemetry in the center. Stage 2 predicted burnout point matches very nicely with the nominal prediction. The flight computer on board the Pegasus vehicle has calculated the Stage 3 ignition time. Stage 3 ignition time is 538 seconds, and that is right on the nominal value. So the coast phase that the vehicle is in will last approximately 5 more minutes as we coast up to an insertion.